Welcome to our how-to video of how to make an octopus craft. First, we're going to start with our materials. We have a glue stick, a pencil, 10 strips of paper that are 11 inches long, and 2 googly eyes. First, we're going to take 6 of the strips of paper. So I'm going to take 4 of them away. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to make up the head and body of the octopus. We are going to actually start with 2 of them. And we are going to make a plus sign. Now, to make sure that we have the center of both, we are actually going to take one strip, fold it in half, so we see where the center is, and then we're going to open it up, and we're going to take our glue stick, and we're going to see where the fold is, and we're going to make a little glue dot right in the fold. This is going to be our center. Then we're going to take our other strip, and just to make sure, if you want, you can fold it to see where the center is, unfold it, and put the glue spot right there, right in the center. And you're going to press down. Okay. Now that we have our base for our head and body, we're going to continue using the other strips of paper. So to do that, we're going to make another glue dot right in the center. We're going to take another strip of paper, and now we're going to not put it right in the middle, but we're going to move it a little bit because we're going to fit 2 strips inside each thing. So we're going to press in the center again, and then we're going to put another glue dot in the center and continue with our next strip. Now we're going to wrap 2 of the strips of paper up towards each other. You're going to take one of the original ones, okay, and you're going to wrap it up, and you're going to glue just one of the little edges, and you're going to glue the edges together. So again, you're going to take your glue stick, and you're going to glue just a little bit on the edge, and you're going to, again, it's the same strip of paper, you're going to come up, match it, and press. Okay, that is our first loop. Now, it's going to be a little difficult, so if you want, press all the way down. This way, it's going to make sure it's secure, and it will pop back up, so don't worry. So here we have our head and body of the octopus. So we're going to put this aside, and we're going to get our last strips of paper. Okay, so just like how we started the head, now we're going to put a larger glue dot in the center right here. Okay, so now we have our larger glue dot center. We're going to take the head and the body that we made earlier, and we're going to place it on here. Now, if you want, you can have the messier side, and you're going to place it right on top of the glue dots. Now, we're almost done with our octopus. What we're going to do is we are going to take a pencil, and we are going to curl up each leg. So we're going to take the paper, and we're going to wrap it around the pencil, and we're just going to roll the pencil up a little bit, and then let go. Okay, so now we are almost done with our octopus. We are just missing his or her eyes. So now the eyes do have a sticker on them. So if you're able to peel the sticker away from the eye, you can do that. Or you can simply glue the eye on. Okay, so again, when you're putting it on, you can put it right in the center, or you can skip one to make the eyes a little bit farther apart. This is where you can do your octopus the way you want, okay? So here we have our octopus. And his eyes will Google when you press him. And there you have it. If you want, you can draw little designs on his legs, or you can leave him be. I hope you enjoyed this how-to video. Have fun. Bye.